Alright, it's Max with Screaming Cinema back with another unboxing. Today I have Stranger Things Season 2, the collector's edition from Target. This is the Blu-ray with the DVD set as well. This is a cool release. I picked up the first one and it's made to look like a thick kind of old school package. This time what they did is they went with the VHS clamshell style look. So it is really cool. As you can see here, a little science fiction, pretend sticker, new release. Got the Hawkins video, Friends Rewind. Down here, the sticker of the collector's edition. Let's look on the back. It's been nearly a year since Will's strange disappearance, but life's hardly back to normal and Hawkins not even close. And then down at the bottom, it's all region. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, set the plastic aside. So, oh, that is awesome. So you can see here, it's made to look like a VHS tape. And we have the little slide packet here with exclusive photos inside, so let's start with that. Alright, so we have these made to look like photos, some behind the scenes shots. It's pretty cool. Slide those back in here. Move over to the tape side. Oh, here we go. So it looks like we flip that open. And sorry, get that piece back on there. So disc 1. It's a little bit hard to film here with this thing, the way it sticks out, but disc 2, disc 3, and then interesting. Flips down here and below are actually the DVDs. Disc 1 kind of fell apart. I don't know if I like these holders the way they have them set up. It's kind of interesting. Go ahead and close that back up, but that is the release. Again, VHS clamshell style case with the Blu-ray and DVDs and the full season 2 on there. It's funny, if you look at the top here, you can even see it has the lamination. Look at the back in focus. It's cool. Well, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is Stranger Things Season 2 on Blu-ray and DVD, featuring the Target collectible edition case, VHS case.